What up guys, it's your boy K-Flow. Today I'm going to show you the first 3 things you should check if the AC doesn't work on your Toyota Tacoma with no special tools required. Let's get this started. For this diagnostics, the first thing we're going to do is turn on the truck and then turn the AC on. We then go under the hood and check whether or not the compressor is engaging. As you see here, the compressor is not engaging. The outside part of the pulley is not spinning. This is what it should look like when it is engaging. If it's not spinning, we check the electrical system starting with the fuse. Make sure we turn the truck off. We go back under the hood and take a look at the primary fuse box and find the proper fuse using the lid as you see here. The lid is pretty much the map that tells you which fuse does what under that fuse box. We pull it out using that fuse puller inside the lid and we check to make sure it's not blown. And this is what a blown fuse looks like versus a good fuse. If the fuse is okay, we check the relay, and the relay that we check is the one that's marked as magnetic clutch. I swapped that relay with the horn relay because I know that the horn actually works. Then I turn the car on, turn the AC on, and check that magnetic clutch. If it still doesn't work, we can move on to the next diagnosis. We specifically check the magnetic clutch on the compressor. And the first thing we'll have to do is remove the skid plate so we have clear access to the underside of the truck. If we grab the outside of the pulley, it should be spinning freely as you see here because the clutch is not engaged. So what we're going to do now is force the electrical engagement to see if the magnetic clutch is really the problem. We find the negative and the positive terminals on that magnetic clutch. The negative is the one bolted onto the shell of the compressor, while the positive is the one below it. We pull the positive away from the holding bracket and pull apart the harness. Next, we grab our portable power source and use alligator clamps to clamp the negative and the positive respectively. This should engage the magnetic clutch and prevent the pulley from spinning by hand as you see here. If the clutch spins freely like before, then that means the magnetic clutch is the problem and that would need to be replaced. Thanks for watching this video guys. The purpose of this video was to show you how to check the major electrical and mechanical problems that can happen on the AC system on your Tacoma. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to check the high pressure side and low pressure side of the AC systems, and also how to refill the AC system if it's been completely drained. So make sure you check that video when it comes out. And give me a thumbs up for this video because it does take a lot of work to put these things together. So hopefully you learned something. Until next time, peace out.